Tire refitting procedure. Clean and inspect the rim and all components. Replace any damaged rim or components. Inspect the valve and valve base. Replace if rubber is dry or damaged. Apply approved tire mounting lubricant before refitting. Place the tire on the working platform. Apply approved tire mounting lubricant before refitting. Position the tire correctly onto the rim. Ensure the tire is properly seated on the rim. Slowly push the bead breaker disc against the tire sidewall while rotating the turntable. Lubricate the tire bead using mounting paste. Insert the bead seat band correctly. Insert a new O-ring and ensure it is properly seated in the groove. Insert the lock ring and ensure it is properly seated in its groove. Remove the tire from the turntable and prepare for inflation. Inflate the tire to minimum pressure to seat the bead. Do not inflate to maximum pressure at this stage. After inflation, ensure the valve cap is properly fitted. Do not install the tire on equipment, vehicle without the valve cap. Place tire in safety cage.